Leaves, reproduction, adaptation, and economic importance. Introduction. This part explains the leaf, its major functions, and its modifications along with the reproductive parts of flowering plants. It also describes how certain plant parts become modified to perform special functions such as support, protection, storage, and nutrient capture, helping plants adapt and survive in different environments. Finally, it highlights the economic importance of flowering plants in human life and ecosystems by showing their role in food, medicine, industry, and ecological balance. Leaf and its functions. The leaf is the principal organ of photosynthesis, transpiration, and gaseous exchange. It is usually green because of chlorophyll and is attached to the stem at the node, so it plays a major role in food manufacture and exchange of gases and water vapor. Functions of leaves: photosynthesis, transpiration, gaseous exchange, storage, and protection in some plants. Modifications of leaves. Leaves are modified to perform special functions such as support, protection, storage, and insect capture. Support. Leaf tendrils in pea help the weak plant climb and get support. Protection. Spines in cactus protect the plant and also help reduce water loss. Storage. In onion, the bulb is a modified stem and its fleshy scale leaves store reserve food. Aloe vera has fleshy leaves that store water and food. Insect capture. Pitcher plant. Venus flytrap. In insectivorous plants, leaves are modified to trap insects and obtain nutrients, especially nitrogen, from nutrient-poor soil. Pitcher plant and Venus flytrap are common examples. Inflorescence, flower, fruit, and seed. Inflorescence. Inflorescence is the mode of arrangement of flowers on the floral axis. Flower. The flower is the reproductive part of the plant. It has four main whorls: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Fruit. After fertilization, the ovary usually develops into the fruit and the ovules develop into seeds. The fruit later protects the developing seeds. Seed. A seed contains the embryo, reserve food in many cases, and a protective seed coat. It helps in germination and in the continuation of the species. Adaptations for survival. Plant modifications are special structural changes in which certain plant parts become modified to perform special functions that help plants adapt and survive in different environments. Examples: storage roots help plants store reserve food and survive unfavorable conditions such as drought or winter. Spines reduce water loss and protect the plant in desert conditions. Tendrils help weak-stemmed plants climb in search of sunlight. Pneumatophores help mangrove plants carry out gaseous exchange in marshy soil. Insectivorous leaves help plants trap insects and obtain nutrients, especially nitrogen, from nutrient-poor soil. Economic importance of flowering plants. Flowering plants are very useful to humans and other living organisms. They provide food, rice, wheat, fruits, vegetables, pulses. Medicines: neem, tulsi, aloe vera. Timber: teak, sal. Fibers: cotton, jute. Spices: clove, pepper, turmeric. Beverages: tea, coffee. Ornamental plants: rose, jasmine, marigold. Other importance: help maintain atmospheric balance by taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen during photosynthesis. Maintain ecological balance. Support animal life by providing food, shelter, and habitat. Quick summary. Leaves are the principal organs of photosynthesis, transpiration, and gaseous exchange, and they may also be modified for support, protection, storage, or insect capture. Inflorescence is the mode of arrangement of flowers on the floral axis. After fertilization, the ovary usually forms the fruit and the ovules form the seeds. A seed contains an embryo, a seed coat, and reserve food in many cases. While plant modifications help flowering plants survive in different environments. Flowering plants provide food, medicines, fibers, timber, spices, beverages, and ornamental value, help maintain atmospheric balance, and support animal life.